And they just came out with a body oil. It's a hoorah for your hoo-ha. Hey girl, comment down below if y'all are watching Bridgerton. Comment down below when I tell y'all I have started this over again just so I can binge the new season this weekend. Anyway, I have a Target hygiene haul that I've been trying to film for the past couple of days. I've just been having to do other things. And the bag has been down here ever since I went to Target. I did throw a couple of products in here that I got online. And I got like one or two products from Ulta. Yeah. I just threw in the bag so that way I can just have everything in one bag. Anyway, girl, hygiene product hauls are my absolute favorite. I love to see what people get, whether that's skincare, body care, just all the self-care things. I love, love, love it. So I haven't done one on my channel in a while, and plus I needed to get more because I just did, I just emptied a few products, which I keep telling y'all this, but I do have an empties coming up. It's gonna probably be squeezed into a vlog. Don't know yet, but stay on the lookout for that. Anyway, I just be rambling, girl, but let me just show y'all a few things that I got from Target. I already opened this because I wanted to see what it looked like. This is the Billie Sparkle Dermaplane Starter Kit. So I always use this on my brows. Like I have a razor that I always use. And I didn't know Billie had this one. It's like the little sparkly handle. I have the razor that looks just like this. And it came with two other blades. But yeah, girl, I do my own brows. I used to get them done and they messed them up. I know I've said this before, but you know, some of y'all are new to my channel. But they messed up my brows and I had to let them grow. And ever since then, I've just been doing my own brows, and I've been doing my brows for years. So I just take these like the so I just take this and I just go do at the top of my brow and then under the brow. That's what gives it the shape. And then I go in the middle of my brow like that. Okay, so y'all let me know. Am I able to get the little this little head separately? This little this is the Flawless Finishing Touch. I use this to take off my peach fuzz. But am I able to get this part right here separately? Because I have purchased maybe like 3 or 4 of these in the past. The one that I use now, well, it just seems like it gets dull. And I don't know how to sharpen it. I don't know. It just doesn't work as good as it does when I first start using it. So I don't know. Let me know if I'm able to just get the little piece separately. If I am, where can I get it? Because I haven't seen it anywhere. Because this thing is not cheap. Okay, it ain't cheap. But I want to get another one because the one that I'm using now, it just ain't doing what it needs to do anymore. I don't know. I don't know how that works. Okay, this product I got from Ulta. This is the Billie V Smooth Shave Gel and Cleanser for pubic hair and skin. So I want to try this out for a feminine wash, and obviously I'm going to use it for, you know, shaving. But anyway, this is pH balanced and it's fragrance free. So I'm gonna try this and let y'all know my thoughts on this product. I think that was the only thing I got from Ulta, I think. Oh, a repurchase. The EOS Cashmere Bikini Shave Serum. Obsessed with this stuff, so I had to get another one. I technically didn't need to get this because I wanted to try this out, and I feel like, why am I getting kind of 2 of the same things? And that's actually all that I got from Ulta, those 2 products. Going back to Target, okay, BYOMA Nourishing Body Oil. I love their new body wash and their skincare products. They're just good, they're really good. But I wanted to try out their Nourishing Body Oil to see if I like it. So let me know if you tried this out already. And I say this all the time, but anytime I show products on my channel, I want to know if you guys tried the product. If you have, do you like it? Do you not like it? I always want you guys to just either let me know or let everybody else know down below in the comments, so that way we can, you know, see what's good and see what's not, or see what works for us and see what doesn't work for us. Naturium has a cleanser that I want to try out. This is the Vitamin C Complex Cleanser. It has vitamin C plus, fruit enzymes, and phytic acid in it. So we're gonna try this out. Y'all let me know if you tried this too. because I like their body care products. I love, love, love their body cream, and they just came out with a body oil. I haven't seen it on Target yet though. I think I gotta get it like on their main website. But yeah, they just came out with a body oil that I gotta get. I'm trying to open this. Ugh, I can't open it. I'm just trying to open it and see if it have a scent. But anyway, got that. Okay, so I've already been taking these. This is the Goli Nutrition Women's PMS Relief Gummies. And I just realized I'm not filming with my mic. Hopefully the audio is okay. Dang it, I usually put my mic in when I do sit down videos. Anyway, this is the Goli Nutrition Women's PMS Relief Gummies. So I've taken these 3 times already, and I will say I don't notice anything different. Like, it's supposed to help with mood swings, breast tenderness, and irritability. So I've taken this a week before my period just to see if I could, you know, tell a difference, and I couldn't tell a difference. So I don't know. I just know that they taste good, but you know, maybe I just need to start taking them more. But I'll let y'all know if I notice anything different. I'm gonna try them again in a couple weeks. But you know, I wanted to give that a try to see if I liked it. Also, repurchased my Lume body wash. This is the only scent I like from Lume. All the other scents stink, okay? Don't like them. This is the Tangerine. I like this in their deodorant. I do like their body, the wipes and the cucumber scent. So yeah, cucumber or the clean tangerine are the only 2 scents. But I only like the cucumber scent and the wipes. It's so weird. I don't know, it's so weird. But anyway, yeah. Got another one of those. And then y'all know my obsession with the Down There wash. Girl, look at this. They have a new one. It's the Down There Wash Aloe Based Cleanser. Y'all know I use the rose water when it comes in the purple bottle, but I saw this and I saw another one. It came in like a blue bottle. I smelled this in store and oh my gosh, this smells so clean and fresh. It's pH balanced with calendula, sage. It's a hoorah for your hoo-ha. Botanical balance. So, oh, excuse me. I wanted to give this one a try, and I saw that they had the wipes as well. Oh, this is the last product that's in the bag. But I saw that they had the wipes, and I'm gonna give these a try. I mean, I like the wipes, and I like the body wash, but I saw that, you know, they had a different scent. So, yeah, but girl, that's all I got from Target and Ulta. Those are the only things that I purchased recently, like hygiene products. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little mini hygiene haul. The sun is going down. Girl, it stayed up for me while I filmed this. But now it's about to go down. It's getting cloudy, girl. It's supposed to storm. I'm about to finish Bridgerton. I'm on season 1 because I started it over. But I'm about to sit here and finish that. But other than that, that is all that I have for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with me while I shared these products. Again, let me know if you tried any of these products. What works for you, what doesn't work for you. If there are any other products that you think I would like, let me know what the product is and we will go shop for it. But that is it, girl. Thank you for hanging out and I will see you guys in the next one.